today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing donut with the Donut-O-Matic machine. Alright, now that we're done mixing, we're going to take the fresh dough, simply load the dough right in there. Close the hopper up. Come right over to the touch panel and you start the machine. So next we're going to take you over here to, this is the pneumatic cutter. It cuts very uniform, delicious donuts all by itself. You can fully adjust the size of the donuts, the weight of the donuts, and the machine does the rest. Alright, so now you got your machine running, what do you do now? Well, if you need to make more donuts, you can start another batch. This is it for the day. Grab a cup of coffee, watch some TV, kick back and relax, because this machine is doing it all. Over here we have actually had a customer in today. We were demoing the machine, so we've got a lot of donuts here that we made. The machine makes making donuts easy. There's no work involved. Just load it and go. Alright, so now as you can see, we loaded the donut, they went through the cutter. They actually come down here. They're starting to travel through the proofer right here. They go up through each of these layers. Very good display, kids can come and watch it. Customers can see their donuts being made. As they go through, you know, the proof will get larger and larger and larger. And then finally come up to the fryer. Now the donuts have moved up a little bit through the proofing rack. They're starting to plump up a little bit, get a little more form. They've got a little bit of way to go before they make it all the way up to the fryer. And then once there, we'll show you how that goes. Alright, now the donuts have gone through the proofer. They're kind of making their way up here, about to go into the fryer. As you can see, they've plumped up nicely. They're nice and developed. They make a delicious donut. Alright, so right here we've got the donuts coming out of the proofer into the fryer. Looking delicious and tasty. All done fully automatically. You guys didn't have to touch anything but a button. Here's a little sample of the different sizes we can do with this machine. You can do little tiny ones like that one there, up to big old ones, that one right next to it. Everything is fully adjustable as far as the size goes on these, size and weight. This is getting thick. So when you're all done, you get this beautiful, delicious, hot, fresh glazed donut. Really good.